Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In this demo, we'll walk through a newly available feature that brings together Microsoft Foundry and Azure Logic Apps for intelligent automation. The idea is pretty simple. Foundry is where you build your agents. You pick the model, write the instructions, ground it in your data, evaluate it. That's the AI side. Logic Apps is where you run your business. Triggers, workflows, connectors into every enterprise system you can think of. We've spent a lot of time making these two feel like one platform to bring a better together story for the agentic automation and for real production workloads. Two things to call out before I jump in. First, there's a brand new experience to create and invoke Foundry agents directly from a Logic Apps workflow. Two products, yet a unified experience. Second, with Logic Apps triggers and orchestration capabilities, your Foundry agents can participate in autonomous business processes. Let's see this in action. Here in Logic Apps, we start by creating a workflow and adding an agent node. The agent connects to a Foundry project, and from here we can pick any model or existing agent in that project. See the drop-down. Every agent in Foundry shows up, ready to invoke. And if the one we need doesn't exist yet, we can create it without leaving Logic Apps. The deep link to Foundry lets us jump between portals when we need to. Let's create a new agent right here. All we need is a name and a model. Behind the scenes, Logic Apps calls the Foundry APIs to provision it. And there it is in our Foundry project. Let's update the instructions. Any change we make here flows straight back to Logic Apps. The agent stays in sync. Now, a real-world scenario. An auto loan approval workflow that handles incoming loan requests autonomously. It runs in real time, using a triage agent in Foundry for duplicate checks, then an auto loan agent for the approval decision. With Logic Apps workflows alongside agents, we combine deterministic business steps with AI reasoning, which is what most real-world solutions actually need. Both agents live in Foundry. But look at the tools the loan agent is using. These are native Logic Apps connectors, APIs, and workflows. That's the unlock. Foundry as your AI platform, and the full Logic Apps ecosystem with 1,400 plus connectors, your APIs, your custom code, as your agents' tools, all on a proven enterprise platform. Let's kick it off by submitting a loan request. This particular request will need human approval before it can complete. In Logic Apps run history, we can see every step of the workflow with full detail. Right now, the agent is paused, waiting on human approval. With Logic Apps workflows, you can build long-running, human-in-the-loop processes with your Foundry agents. The approval request lands in teams. Once the approver responds, the workflow resumes, the loan agent finalizes the decision, and the customer gets their approval notification. Start to finish, autonomously with a human in the loop exactly where it matters. The run completes and every step of the workflow is captured end-to-end. Inputs, outputs, token usage. This is the operational view your platform and automation teams need for governance. In Foundry, you get the agent's own traces and logs, the reasoning the tool calls the thread history. This is the view your developers need to tune prompts, debug agent behavior, and track quality over time. Same execution, two lenses, correlated by run ID across both portals, so you get the right view in the right place without losing the thread between them.